Assalamu alaikum learners. As I know that the form of others are very important to know, so that's let's have this summary of forms of other because it's important to understand. That's why. Another cookie, please, because the baby is very hungry, so that's why. Let's start now. I think I'll have another cookie. There are so many cookies. She's eating one and she needs another one. So we said another is a singular and it is an adjective. Why? Because there is cookie, a noun after it. So that's why another function is an adjective and it is singular. I'll have another two, please. So here this another, we do not have any noun after it. So definitely it is a singular pronoun. It functions as a pronoun. Here we have a noun after it, so it is an adjective. And in the second one, we do not have a noun after it, so that's why we call it a pronoun. The chocolate ones are good, but I like the other cookies better. There are two types of cookies, so that's why we know the number, so that we have to use the other. Because there are two type of, one is the chocolate and another is the simple one. So and the other is function as an adjective because it has a noun after it, cookies, so it's a plural adjective. Here you can see some of the cookies are chocolates, others are vanilla cream. So you can see here in this case others is functioning as a pronoun because there is not another noun after it, so it will function as a pronoun, and it is plural because it is used instead of the cookies. Ben will eat one cookie and leave the other cookie for Rachel. Because there are two, that's why the other is used. One has finished, has been eaten by Ben, and now one is left, that's why the other is important. So it is an adjective because there is a noun after it. Ben will eat one and leave the other for Rachel. So we say here the other, there is not another noun, that's why we call it a specific one, so we will use the before that. And one thing, that it is a singular and it is a pronoun because there is any not other noun after the cookie, so it is singular. Jill will eat one cookie and will leave the other cookies for Ahmed. So the other cookies, so plural adjective, this is functioning as an adjective. And Jill will eat one and leave the others for Ahmed. So you know very well that others are the word others, the others will be the plural form, and this is pronoun. So other plus s only as a plural pronoun. Let's practice. One of our friends wants to go to the movies. Now it's okay. Another wants to go dancing, and now we have some others they're left. So definitely they are known because there are four numbers, so the others want, that's why not other. If we use suppose other, because we would not know the numbers. If you see two are left, so three, definitely two went out of the group, so three are left, so we know the number, that's why we say the others. There are three babies, we know the number, two of the triplets are girls, and definitely this is the only one is left, so the other. If we couldn't know the number, then other, and if you know the number, then we will use what? The other. That's the last example. One thing to do for good health is to eat healthy food. Now we'll say this is one thing of that. Another is to have hobbies, and definitely you know there is things, so you will not use the plural form. So those that they have is with them, so you cannot use them. So we have other things include exercise,